Hi everyone, welcome back to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm so excited because I'm gonna share with you brand new 6 blushes from YSL. It's Make Me Blush liquid blush. Yes, look at these beautiful colors. Oh my god, I'm not just gonna show you, I'm gonna swatch for you. I will compare it to another brand, and of course I will give you my opinion. Do I like them or not? But let's start because they are beautiful. We're gonna start with color 44 Nude. But before we're gonna talk colors and quality, I want to talk about how beautiful this blush looks. I like this YSL logo on top. It's very pretty. It is not like your packaging. I can feel a little bit weightness here, but I like it. I feel I have something very luxurious here. But most important, look at this brush. I love this brush. It's a nice big size. It's not your tiny small applicator. I love this applicator. Again, it's so pretty. I do not smell any perfume. You know how YSL really likes to add to lipstick or to skincare some this like a special smells. This one, I don't have this like a perfumey smell, sorry, and I actually personally really like, and I love this color. Again, number 44. This is a retail price in United States $39. But let me show you something else. Yes, this is Giorgio Armani blush, and today I'm gonna compare YSL blushes to Giorgio Armani blushes. Do you know why? Because they are sister and brother company. Okay, we have here 12 milligram products, price $39. YSL 15 milligram, it's a little bit more and same price. But let me show you brushes. They are very different. This is its YSL brush. This is its Giorgio Armani brush. They are different. I like two of them. To me, it doesn't matter which one to use. They will work, I believe, exactly the same. But you know what? Wait, we will compare formula. Yes, I really want to know, are they the same or they are different? I know you all want to see color. Let me swatch for you all this color, and I'm doing them a little bit different. I'm not gonna swatch on my hand, I'm gonna swatch on my face. Okay, we're gonna start with color number 44 Nude. Beautiful pinky color. It's not too bright, very subtle, and I love formula. It is your very say, if you look at how I swatch, pretty rich formula. You don't need to add few more times to build color. It looks so rich, beautiful, and it looks like really creamy. Second color, number 37, and this is, it looks like a pretty neutral with little bit orangey undertone. Okay, let's swatch, let's try, and of course, please give me like, support me, love you more than ice cream, and let me know what is your favorite color on me. Wow, definitely I can tell a difference between first and second color. Yes, it's a beautiful pinky color, first one number 44, and number 37 it is neutral and it does have little bit orangey undertone. I like two of these blushes. I think you and me need to own two of these blushes. Such a pretty colors. Color 57. I think looks like more orangey coral. Very unusual color. Before I will say exactly how this color looks, I need to swatch. This color goes a little bit different. If these first two colors go very rich, I can see color right away. This color 57, I need to reapply few more times to see actually colors. Color is really soft and I feel it's a little bit more formula different. If these two pretty creamy, third one, it feels more like a gel to me, or maybe it's my imagination. I don't know. Okay, I do like this color. It is like, it's a corally orange color, very pretty. I think it's a perfect color for summer. Now I'm gonna show you the darkest, the deepest color in this formula, number 54. Again, I really like this applicator. Such a nice brush. Oh my god, this lighter color I barely can see. But let's check this color. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this color. Oh my god, girls, look at this, how pretty color this is. It's definitely perfect color for fall. And you know what? I have a clear lip gloss right now on my lips. Let me put this blush a little bit on my lips. Wow, I love this. It's a perfect color for fall. I know a lot of you waiting for this color fuchsia number 66. It is beautiful. It is, I would say it's a pinky fuchsia color, bubbly color. But let me swatch. I want to see this color on my skin. Wow, this is so pretty. I know so many of you gonna say, oh my god, I want this color. Yes, it is pretty. It is color we all like, right? And last color, which one I'm gonna show you today, it's a color lavender. I do not have a product, but I have a sample where I have this color, and it's your lightest color in this collection. And you know what? I will compare it to Luminous Silk Blush number 53. I want to see, are they the same or not, or quality is the same, formula is the same, color is the same. Let's try. This is color lavender. Oh my god, it's a really, I will say, pale lavender. It's have a white undertone. It's very different. I feel like I would like to apply this color on my cheek and then put fuchsia on top. I think it will be very nice, beautiful mix. But you know what? Now we're gonna try this color from Giorgio Armani. Again, this is its color 53, and I'm gonna put next to lavender. Okay, color, it is different. Color really different. And look at these three colors together. Armani, it's more pinky, then Giorgio, YSL, this lavender, it is pale lavender with white undertone. And third color, fuchsia, it's more vibrant, it's more brighter. There are three different colors, but also quality, it's really different. To me, YSL, it's more like a gel formula. I'm sorry, I just say YSL is a gel formula. No, I'm so sorry, I make mistake. YSL, it's more creamy, it's more rich, but Giorgio Armani, it's more gel formula, but for some reason this color from Giorgio Armani and YSL, this lighter orange color, I feel like it's the same formula. First color, which one I'm gonna try, it's color 57, because I'm a little bit not happy with this color when I swatch, but let's try, let's see, do I like this color or not. Okay, it's really light color. It is like I barely can see this color, but you know what, I apply only, we'll say, like few dots. Maybe I need to add a little bit more to build color quality, or I will say texture of this blush. It's really good. It's not removing my foundation. My skin looks beautiful and smooth, and I am happy because I actually like this soft color, and I like how this blush look on my cheek. What do you think? Do you like or not? I'm smiling, I'm happy, because you know what? I start complaining because I'm not sure if I like or not. Oh my god, I love this blush. It's so pretty. Color 37. Also have a little bit orangey brown undertone. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, definitely quality way more different. Oh, I think I put a little bit too much, girls. If here you can remember how many dots I make, like maybe 10. Here I put 3, and it's already really rich, a little bit too deep, I think. Oh, I need a little bit beauty blender to slightly little bit soft this blush, but it is very pretty. And like I mentioned before, this color and this color of quality a little bit different. Very soft, gel, creamy and rich. Color 66. Okay, let's try. And you know what? I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Usually I like to use beauty blender for my blush. Again, this is very pretty. It is rich, beautiful color. You need only 1 or 2 dots, no more. So pretty color. Hello, Barbie. Color 44. I feel color 44 will be #1 selling color in this collection. Wow, it is pretty. It's soft pink, and you can see how fuchsia, and this is its color fuchsia. This is its color 44 nude. It's way more softer, but it still has this slightly pinky undertone. I do like this blush. I think this is definitely the winner one. What do you think? Let me know. Color 54, the deepest color. Color 54, I use only 1 dot, but look at this bright deep color. Oh my god, I love it. You know what? I like to use this on my lips. I don't know why. Because I think it's so pretty. And on my lips, color looks totally different than on my cheek, right? And now I know you all waiting for this color lavender. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury actually powder brush, but I love this brush for my blush brush. Let's try, let's see this color. Okay, it is really pretty, right? Different, very pretty. Again, you can see it's a huge difference. This is fall, this is summer, and I also feel this color you can apply on top another color to mix, but it's a very beautiful, I will say, brighter color, deeper color. It's here. Oh, you know what? Let me add a little bit this color right here on top for brightness underneath of my eye. I think I like this. What do you think? So pretty, all colors pretty, very good quality. I like its no fragrance, it stays good, they don't look dry on my cheek, but I know they are long wearing this lip. Oh, sorry blushes, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I hope you have a fun with me. Subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.